What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles. I want to give you a quick update on this 2007 Goldwing that we have. It just got back from the detail shop, guys. I got this bike fully detailed. If you watch the walk around, there was some like oxidation on the wheels and around some of the parts. This bike is fully detailed. It looks amazing. In addition to the full detail, I put a brand new front tire on it. The brakes were a little spongy, so we got new brakes, I believe new rotors, and the fork oil, the fork seals were a little bit blown, so it was leaking a little bit of oil there, so we just redid that completely. But I wanted to give you guys an update. There's the words of wisdom. It looks super nice. It got a full detail. You know, there was some like rust, not rust, but like some surface rust on the pipes. Now there are some, you know, little imperfections as it was stated in the walk around video. I just want to give you guys an update on how it looks now. It looks phenomenal. This bike is crazy nice. It's got the full nav, full everything. It just needed a really good clean, and so that's why we kind of got it fully detailed. So as you can see, it looks great. That front wheel looks way better. So yeah, you can see the chrome is finally sparkling. Bike looks awesome. So now that you know, the speakers look better. It had some like gunk in the speakers. As you can see, speakers look way better. So now that you guys are fully updated, just want to give you guys an update on that 2007 Goldwing. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.